Atoms create ways to get electrons or lose them, some by giving or taking through ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is a give and take relationship. It is a bond between metal and nonmetal. The metal gives electrons to become stable. Nonmetal takes electron to become stable. For example, in sodium chloride, sodium is the electron donor and chlorine is the electron acceptor. Sodium is a metal and chlorine is a nonmetal. An example of ionic bonding. In similar cases, some nonmetals can find metals. They instead share electrons with their fellow nonmetals. Sharing of electron to have a complete electron in the outermost shell is known as covalent bond. It is a bond between nonmetals and another nonmetal. For example, water consists of hydrogen and oxygen atoms which are nonmetals. They share electrons and an example of covalent bond. Now tell if it is an ionic or covalent bond. Number 1, sodium bromide. Sodium bromide consists of sodium and bromine. Sodium is a metal and bromine is a nonmetal. So therefore, it is an example of ionic bond. Number 2, hydrogen fluoride consists of hydrogen and fluorine, which are both nonmetals. Therefore, this is an example of covalent bond.